Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Madden. First, familiarize yourself with the core controls for both offense and defense. Spend some time in the practice mode to get a feel for passing, running, and tackling. Select a team with a balanced roster to begin and try out different game modes like exhibition matches. This foundational understanding is crucial for building your skills and enjoying the game. On offense, mastering your playbook is key. Choose plays that fit the situation, considering factors like down and distance. Before the snap, make adjustments to your routes or blocking schemes to exploit defensive weaknesses. Always read the defense to identify open receivers or running lanes. A well-executed offensive drive can lead to easy touchdowns and keep your opponent on their heels. Playing strong defense is equally important. Select defensive formations that counter your opponent's offensive personnel, such as a nickel package against 3 wide receivers. Use pre-snap adjustments to send a blitz or assign specific coverage. When controlling a defender, anticipate passes and runs to make crucial tackles or interceptions. Effective defense can force turnovers and give your offense more opportunities to score. To truly excel, continuously practice and explore advanced techniques. Experiment with various playbooks to find schemes that suit your style and learn how to best utilize your star player's unique abilities. Play in different game modes, like online head-to-head, to test your skills against diverse opponents. Watching tutorials from experienced players can also provide valuable insights and help you discover new strategies to dominate the field.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.